Hello everyone, I am Mr. PSRB Shashank, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. In this video, I am going to deal with the course called as Computational Thinking and Programming, and particularly finding minimum and maximum element in an array, one-dimensional array. As we know that if I am having less than 5 or 10 elements, or maximum I'll say 100 elements, we can find minimum and maximum very easily. If I am having more number of elements, if I want to find minimum and maximum in that particular list or particular array, it's not easy to find out. So we'll see how to find out minimum and maximum in an array. So let me say if I'm having an array like this. So let me say this is an array. In this, I'm having some array elements. These are my array elements. So this index number will start with 0. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. If I'm having like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as my index numbers, and I want to find out minimum element in that particular array as well as maximum element in that particular array. By looking at this directly, we can say that 1 is minimum in this and 48 is maximum in that. But if I am having more elements, if I am having number of elements which cannot find out minimum and maximum by looking at that, we need to have a particular code for that. So how to have it, we'll see that. So I'm starting with the first one. So I'll start with the first one. Let me say if I'm having only one element, I'll say minimum value is a of 0. So I'll say that, let me say this array is a of, total elements are 5. A of 5 is equal to this array. Let me say that minimum is nothing but a of 0. That means minimum value, I'm saying that a of 0 is 5. And the next thing is that, let me say maximum. Maximum is also something called as a of 0. So minimum value is also 5, maximum value is also 5. I need to make sure that checking this 5 with all the elements, and if something is greater than 5, then I'll say that the maximum value is changed to that something. And if something is less than 5, then I'll say that minimum value is changed to something. So let me check this with first value 5. So I'll check with the first one. So 5 is checked with 21. If I'll say 5 is less than 21. 5 is less than 21. 5 is with the value which is called as min, is less than 21. 21 is nothing but a of 0. So if 5 is less than a of 0, then see, I am checking whether I am having an element which is less than 5 or not. So 5 is not less than 21. It's nothing but 21 is greater than 5. We can say it in both ways. I'll give it to you in this way. Look at this. I'll say a of 0, okay, is less than something called as min. So already 0 is completed. We'll go with the first one, a of 1. A of 1 is less than min. What is the value of a of 1? A of 1 is nothing but 21. 21 is less than something called as min, 5. So 21 is less than 5, condition is failed. We'll go to the next iteration. I'll increase the value of this one. So a of 2 is less than min. So a of 2 is less than min. What is the value of a of 2? A of 2 is nothing but 32 is less than 5. Condition is failed again. So the next thing, I'll go with the next value. What is the next value? A of 3. A of 3 is less than min. So what is the value of a of 3? 1. 1 is less than 5. The condition is satisfied here. That means I am checking whether the values which are next to this a of 0 are less than this minimum element or not. In the same way, I'll check with like this. In the same way, a of 1 is greater than max. So max is holding a value of 5. A of 1 is having a value of 21. 21 is greater than 5. If 21 is greater than 5, yes, condition is satisfied. So I'll change the max value to a of 1. So it's nothing but 21. In the next iteration, value of this one will be increased. So this will be a of 2, iteration value. A of 2 is greater than max. So a of 2 is holding 32. Is greater than max is holding 21. So previously max was holding 5. Now max value is changed to 21. So a of 2 is greater than max. 32 is greater than 21. Yes. Again condition is satisfied. So new max value will be max equal to a of 2. New max value will be max equal to a of 2. That's nothing but 32. In the next iteration, let me write it here. In the next iteration, a of 3 is greater than max. A of 3 is greater than max. What is a of 3 now? A of 3 value is nothing but 1 is greater than max. Max value is nothing but 32. So 1 is greater than 32, condition fails. So 1 is not greater than 32. In the next iteration, a of 4 is greater than max. A of 4 is greater than max. What is the value of a of 4? 48. 48 is greater than max. Yes, max value is nothing but what? Max value is 32. 48 is greater than 32, condition is satisfied. So new max value will be a of 4. New max value will be a of 4. So here you got min value. This is nothing but a of 3. You got min value. This is nothing but a of 3. So new min value is nothing but a of 3. That's 1. If you want to check, again you have to go to a of 4 less than 1. No, condition fails. In this way, you have to check whether maximum and minimum of a particular one-dimensional array set of elements. So let us do it using a program. So I'll start with hash include stdio.h. I'll have only void main. So in order to make sure that we need to find out maximum minimum of elements. So first we need elements. So I'll initialize an array. So I'll just give something called as a of maximum of 100 elements. I'll just give a of maximum of 100 elements. So and I need to take n value. Why we are taking n value? That means I need to make sure that I am entering n number of elements into an array. Enter n elements into array. Okay, value of, I'll give this as like this. Okay, we don't know the value of n. First thing is, first we need to have the value of n. For that, what I'll do? Printf enter n value. Enter n value. Scanf %d ampersand n. Printf enter n value. Scanf %d ampersand n. So what I'll give now? Printf enter n elements into an array. That means in place of this one, I'll give it as %d format specifier. Enter, see, if I'm giving a value of n as 5, enter 5 elements into an array like this. that will show the value in this manner. So I'll give it as for I equal to 0, I less than how much? 5, I plus plus, or I'll directly give it as what? N. I less than N, I plus plus. So we didn't declare something called as I, so I'll declare I. So scanf percentile D, comma, ampersand A of I. Scanf percentile D, comma, ampersand A of I. So for I'll just print this one so that you can understand what are all the values that are given into an array. So in place of ampersand, I'm just removing that. So I'll give backslash or tr. So I'll just give the values like this. So enter n value. I'll give n value as 5. Enter 5 elements into an array. So I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our array now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to make sure that you are entering the values in your perfect location, so in your perfect index number, so you should give like this: a of percentage d, comma, in place of percentage d, I need the value of which one? I. So in place of percentage d, in the first iteration, I value is 0. This will take the value as 0 and it will give it to this position, a of 0 equal to. Then we'll give the value of a of 0. In the next iteration, it will give it as a of 1 equal to. So like this. So I'll give the n value as 5. Enter n 5 elements into an array. So it is giving it as a of 0 now. You can see it, a of 0. So a of 0, I'll give some value, 30, this is 20. So 30, 20, 10, 5, 4. You can see a of 0 is 30, a of 1 is 20. So we have given some values here. That means I can give the values in this way also. So we have given the values now. So we need what? Maximum, minimum of one dimensional array. So maximum and minimum means what? First I need to initialize something called as max. I need to initialize something called as min. So what we have done now, max equal to a of 0. We have taken max equal to first one, min equal to a of 0. Min equal to a of 0. Max equal to a of 0, min equal to a of 0. We have taken two values now. Now if I am printing, printf percentage d, comma, max. In place of max, I'll write something called as min. So I'll give a backslash n here. So n value is 5, 0, I'll give 1. So max equal to 1, min equal to 1. Why means we are giving the maximum value as a of 0 and minimum value also a of 0. So both the values are what? Both the values are totally 1 there. So I'll just give like this. I'll take a loop now. What is the loop which I want to take now? For again I equal to. So I've given already a of 0 to max. So I'll start with what? 1. Why? Because I need to compare 0 with 1 with the next one. So I equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus. So what is the first condition? If I'll say max. If I'll say something called as max. What is the value of max here? Max equal to a of 0. Value of max is nothing but a of 0. So let me say I'm having values like this. 1, I'll give I'll give 15. So 10, I'll give first one as 10. So I need to check this 10 with the next element. I need to check this 10 with the next element. So I'll say something called as a of I is greater than max. A of I is greater than max. This is a of 0. So a of I is nothing but I value is 1. So 15 is greater than 10. 15 is greater than 10. That is the thing it is checking. If 15 is greater than 10, what we have to do? Max equal to a of I. I am changing the value of max now. Max equal to a of I. Now look at this. I equal to 1. So 1 is nothing but this position, a of 1 position. A of 1 is 15 is greater than max. 15 is greater than max. First iteration, 15 is greater than 10. Yes, 15 is greater than 10. Condition is satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, a of I is given to max. What is a of I? A of I is nothing but a of 1. It's nothing but 15. 15 is given to max. Now max is holding a value of 15. Max is holding a value of 15. In the next iteration, I plus plus. Now I value will become 2. I value will become 2. A of 2. What is a of 2? It's nothing but a of 2 is 4. Max is nothing but 15. 4 is greater than 15? No. Condition is not satisfied. So no change of max value. In the next iteration, I plus plus. I value will become 3. I value will become 3. So a of 3. A of 3 is nothing but again this is same 3. So 3 is greater than 15. Max is 15. It's not changed. 3 is not greater than 15. So it will not enter into the block. So again in the next iteration, value will become 4. I value will become 4. A of 4 is 25. 25 is greater than 15. If 25 is greater than 15, what I need to do? I need to give a of I to max. What is a of I? A of I is nothing but a of 4. A of 4 is nothing but 25. 25 should be given to max. In this place of 15, we have given 25. I plus plus. I value will become 5. 5 less than 5. Condition fails and it will come out of the loop. In the same way, I can do like this. I can take this one and I can take one more loop. So a of I is less than, I'll write something called as min. Or I can, a of I, what is the value of a of I now again? 10. 10 is less than min. So first I need to have 15. Already 10 is given to a of 0. 15 is less than 10. 15 is less than 10. No. 4 is less than 10. Yes. So at this position, this will be 4. 3 is less than 10. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4 means I can take this 3 here. So value of, first I'll give it as what? 10 here. I'll just explain it like this. So first a of 0 is nothing but 10. A of I is nothing but 15 is less than 10. 15 is less than 10. So condition fails. If the condition fails, it will not enter. So in place of max, I'll write it as min here. 15 is less than 10. After this, in the next iteration, 4. Value of I will be, what is this? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. In the next iteration, 4 is less than 10. Yes, condition is satisfied. So new min value will be 4. So next iteration, this will be 3 and min is nothing but 4. 3 is less than 4. Yes, condition is satisfied. This will be 3 now. In the next iteration, a of I, this is nothing but 25. This will become 3. 25 is less than 3. No. Condition fails, it will not enter into the block. So you can do by taking another for loop, or you can give this statement, total statement inside this for loop. After completion of this if statement, you can have another if statement. After completion of this if statement, you can have another if statement. So let me explain it to you. So first it will take the value of I as 1. So 0 is 10. I is nothing but 1 now. 15. So at this position, first iteration, 15 is greater than 10. Condition is satisfied, maximum value will be 15. So in this position, 15 is less than 10. Condition is not satisfied, it will not enter into the block. So now I value will be, see, at this iteration, so first iteration I value is 1. Now 1 plus plus I value is 2 now. I value is nothing but 2. So a of 2 is nothing but 4. A of 2 is nothing but 4. So this is 4. Max value is nothing but 15. It's changed in the previous iteration. 4 is greater than 15. No. Condition is not satisfied. So there is no change in max value. So now look at this. 4 is less than 10. So min value is a of 0 only, it's not changed in the previous iteration as the condition is false. 4 is less than 10. Yes, condition is satisfied. So new min value will be 4. New min value will be 4. Now max equal to 15 we have, min equal to 4 we have. In the next iteration, I value will become 3. So I value 3 is nothing but this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. A of 3 greater than max. What is A of 3? A of 3 is nothing but 3 greater than max. Max is nothing but 15. 3 is greater than 15. No, condition fails. Condition fails. So there is no change in your max value. No change. So in the next iteration, A of 3 is nothing but 3 is less than min. It's less than something called as min. Look at this. 3 is less than 4. Yes, condition is satisfied. So new min value will be 3. New min value will be 3. So this 4 is updated with 3 now. In the next iteration, I value will become 4. A of 4 value is nothing but 25. This is A of 4. This is 25. 25 is greater than 15. Yes, condition is satisfied. So max value will be 25. This 15 is changed to 25. Again, at this position, A of 4 is nothing but 24. Min value is changed previously, it's nothing but 3. 25 is less than 3. No. Condition fails. So it will not enter into the block. So now I value is 5. As 5 is less than 5, this condition fails and it will come out of the block. Up to this point. So now look at this. So, well, now we need to print which values? We need to print maximum as well as minimum values. So, printf maximum in an array equal to %2. In place of that, we need max value. So I'll give max version here. In the same way, I'll print minimum also. Minimum in an array is %backslash. It's nothing but what? I'm printing the value of max after completion of your for loop, and I'm printing the value of min after completion of your for loop. Now look at this. Let me take the values now one by one. Enter n value, I'll give it as 5. So I'll give some values. So these are the values. Now you can see 10, 15, 4, 3, 25. We are printing that array. Max is 10, min is 10 previously. Now maximum value in an array is 25. Minimum value in an array is 3. Maximum is 25, minimum is 3. You can see it here at this point. That means you can have your own type of values, you can have your own user-defined values, and you can check it. So this is a program for finding maximum, minimum of elements in a particular array. So this is a program for that. So if you want to check with other values, give some values here. I'll give 10 values. So I'll give 9. Now you can see maximum value in an array is 4444, as we have given it as highest one. Minimum value in an array is 1. So it will check one by one. It will take the value of maximum and minimum as starting one, and it will check with all the other elements 5, 6, 44, 55 and all the elements. After checking with all the elements, it will give maximum and minimum values. This is the point. So this is how we need to find maximum and minimum elements in a one-dimensional array. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.